Xumo remotes typically use 2A or AAA batteries. Locate the battery compartment on the back of the remote. Slide the cover open. Remove the old batteries, noting the positive and negative alignment. Insert the new batteries, ensuring correct polarity. Securely close the cover. Avoid mixing old and new or different types of batteries to prevent leaks. Most users report a simple battery swap. Consider switching to rechargeable AA batteries as part of newer eco-friendly initiatives to help reduce e-waste. After replacing the batteries, your remote might need repairing, especially Bluetooth models. For Bluetooth remotes, hold the pairing button inside the battery compartment for 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes. Follow the on-screen prompts on your TV to complete the pairing process. If it's an IR-only remote, it should pair automatically, but make sure to point it directly at the Xumo device. Once paired, test all the remote's functions like volume, channel change, and voice search. If the remote is unresponsive, check the battery voltage or try resetting the device through the Xumo app settings. Regular testing ensures your remote is always ready for streaming.